What's going on, guys? Just wanted to take a few seconds to explain how you can very simply and quickly place anything you want inside of an opening where it's centered in that opening with an even space on each side. So you simply have to know the dimension of your opening. The whiteboard here represents your opening. This regular wood board represents a picture frame or whatever it might be. You simply measure across the wall. In this case, this piece of wood, if you break that dimension in half, in this case, this dimension is 17 1/4. So I just went ahead and made a mark on the piece of white board at the center line. I went ahead and measured this piece representing my frame, determined the center of that piece was 10 1/8. I went ahead and made a mark on there. When you line up those two marks, as you see here, okay, that automatically will center this object on this object with equal spacing on each side. So you can apply that to anything you're doing, whether it's a picture frame, whatever it might be. You simply measure your opening, divide that in half, make a mark, measure your object, divide that in half, make a mark on the object, line up the two marks, and you'll be dead center with equal spacing on each side. I hope this helps. Until the next one, thank you.